Hello and welcome to How to Login. In this video, I'm gonna be teaching you how you can change the media quality settings in Signal. So let's go ahead and start the video without wasting any more time. Open the Signal app on your phone, then click on your profile which you see on the top left hand corner. What you need to do next is click on Data and Storage. Then you can see the media quality settings. So the current settings is standard. So there are two settings as you can see, which one is standard and high. So you can send the high quality media but it will use more data. You can select the high, but you must take care that your data will be going a little bit more than standard quality. So you can see that you can easily change the media quality in Signal and change it to standard or high. This way your mobile data might be saved a little. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.